Hey folks, this is a auto foaming hand wash soap product. Like this is for the hand wash, and here is all the quality, like it's all sensors, like it will detect, and it's operated by battery. It says no much sound, and then waterproof, and all the details are here. And let's open this product. It comes in a nice packing, hard box. So this is the manual along with the product, and you can see it's pretty much simple to use. And this says like it's a top lid, and where you have to put the entry, where is the sensor, and all the details are here. How you should put in the batteries here. It uses AAA batteries. 4 AAA batteries need to be added. I will show you later on the part in this video. So here is the product. It's the Demico, and this is the soap can. You have to put like a mixture of soap with liquid, like the water. If it is too thick, that 1:2 or 1:3 part, where there will be 1 part of soap and 2 or 3 part of the water. Make the solution and put it inside, and here is the lid open, and this is like the cover where you can put in the batteries. So let me just open this one. Here is little hook. So here, and then I'm just putting 4 AAA batteries. So you have to match with the plus and the minus sign. Just match it up. Put in these batteries, lock it, and then this is the on and off button here. So when you press it, so when it says blue, it's ready. If it says red, it's not ready. So like this. So if you press red, it's not ready, and if the light is blue, it's ready. And this is like the sensor, and I put the soap solution here, and just clicking it. The pipe is just inserted, so I will just say like it's come. So the liquid is coming up in the hand. I'm just trying to on it, and I'm just testing this product. So